Welcome to the very first episode of Cooking with Peter. Each and every episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a really simple yet delicious dish. We're starting things off this week with a chicken katsu. That's a Japanese breaded chicken dish. It's super easy to make. Let's get started. So what you're going to need to make the dish is obviously some chicken. In this case, we're using chicken thighs. You're also going to need some panko, which is Japanese breadcrumbs, some all-purpose flour, a neutral flavored oil, in this case we're using canola oil, and 1 egg. So the first thing that we're going to do is prep the chicken. So we're going to want to remove any excess fat on the chicken. Next, you're going to want to marinate the chicken. You're going to use a little bit of that oil that you have, along with some salt and pepper. And you're going to want to make sure that the chicken is nicely coated, and then we're going to put it off to the side. Next, you're going to want to set up your breading station. I like to use these small soup bowls as it makes for easy cleanup after I'm done. So you're going to need 3 bowls or plates. In the first one, you're going to put a little bit of all-purpose flour. In bowl number 3, you're going to place your panko, and in the center bowl, you're going to want to crack an egg. So before we get to the breading, we're going to get our oil ready. You're going to want to fill up approximately 1/2 inch to 1 inch of oil at the bottom of your pan. All right, let's get to breading. So you're going to take your chicken, you're going to want to coat it in that flour, and then rub off any excess flour that's on there, take it off. And you're going to want to coat it in the egg, and finally coat it in panko. You're going to want to press that panko into the chicken to ensure that it doesn't come off during the frying process. Put it aside and then repeat with the rest of the chicken. Now that all your breading is done and your hands are covered in panko, it's time to get frying. So you're going to want to wait until this oil reaches about 350 degrees. The best way of being able to tell if it's at the correct temperature is by dropping a single piece of panko into the pan and seeing if it floats to the top. So we're going to drop that panko in, and as you can see, it immediately floats to the top, so that's how you know that the oil is ready. We're going to turn the heat down a little bit so we can maintain that 350 degree temperature. All right, let's get frying. We're going to drop that chicken in nice and slowly and hear that lovely sizzle. And you're going to let it cook approximately for 4 minutes per side until we get that deep golden color. All right, we're gonna give it a little flip here. As you can see, it has that beautiful golden crust. It looks like it's just about done. We're gonna pull it out. You're gonna wanna lay it on its side for 1/2 sec to allow that excess oil to drop out. And then you're gonna wanna put it off to the side and let it rest for approximately 2 minutes. We've got our beautiful golden crusted katsu right here. And we're going to give it a little cut. We're going to start by cutting it in half. And then we're going to cut those halves in halves. Move that to my secret plating area. So you can see our katsu right here. It's nice and golden. It looks delicious. We've got some rice, we've got some greens, and we're serving it with this katsu sauce. It's really easy to find this in the Asian aisle at pretty much every single grocery store. Let's give it a try, shall we? Get a little bit of that sauce. Delicious and takes about 20 minutes to make. Definitely try making this. I'll see you guys in the next one.